How to like an item in Depop. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find an item and add it to your liked tab on Depop account. First of all, launch open a web browser and in the URL box type in depop.com and search. Make sure that you're also logged into your Depop account, and once you're in, go ahead and find the item from your home screen or search from the categories from the top and choose the item you want to like or add to your liked tab. After you find the item, click on it to open up its categories and find the item you want to like, and underneath the item, click on the heart icon. Repeat this step for every other items you'd like to add to your liked or their favorite list. And now once you open up the favorite list, you'll be able to see all of the items you've added. So there you have it. That is how you can easily like an item and save it in your liked list so that you can buy it later or find it quickly on Depop. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.